Hello, my name is Mrs. English. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will practice 200 sentences together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. You can pause the video anytime you need. Take your time and practice as many times as you want. Are you ready? Let's begin. I feel calm today. She is very calm. The room is quiet. He feels peaceful now. We are calm and happy. The music is soft. I like quiet places. She sits in silence. The water is still. He breathes slowly now. I feel relaxed today. The air is fresh. She closes her eyes. We rest on Sunday. The garden is peaceful. I drink warm tea. He reads a book. The night is quiet. She feels no stress. I take deep breaths. The sky is clear. We walk in nature. He listens to birds. She smiles softly now. I feel peace inside. The morning is calm. We sit by water. He watches the trees. She enjoys the silence. I feel very relaxed. The beach is peaceful. We breathe fresh air. He feels calm today. She does yoga daily. I stretch my body. The sunset is beautiful. We watch clouds move. He has no worries. She feels safe here. I rest my mind. The park is quiet. We enjoy this moment. He sits under trees. She drinks herbal tea. I feel light inside. The wind is gentle. We take time daily. He meditates each morning. She finds her peace. I am calm now. Do you feel calm today? The library is very quiet. I relax after work each day. She takes a warm bath tonight. We need peace in our lives. He listens to calm music daily. The cat sleeps on the bed. I feel better when I rest. She walks slowly in the park. Do you like quiet places too? We sit together in silence now. He reads books before sleeping time. The rain sounds peaceful on windows. I close my eyes and breathe. She feels calm near the water. We turn off the television tonight. He doesn't feel stressed at home. The flowers smell nice and fresh. I practice being calm every day. She writes in her journal daily. Do you meditate in the morning? We light candles in the evening. He listens to nature sounds outside. The baby is sleeping peacefully now. I feel relaxed on the weekend. She takes breaks during the day. We don't rush in the morning. He enjoys his quiet time alone. The moon is bright and calm. I feel peaceful in this room. She doesn't worry about small things. We practice yoga together on Sundays. He takes deep breaths before meetings. The lake is still and quiet. I spend time in nature weekly. She feels calm after her walk. Do you have a peaceful place? We listen to soft music tonight. He isn't stressed about work today. The clouds move slowly across the sky. I feel calm when I am here. She doesn't check her phone at night. We create a peaceful home together now. He takes time to relax every evening. The stars are beautiful and calming tonight. I enjoy the quiet moments of life. She sits by the window each morning. Do you feel peaceful in your home? We turn off lights and rest early. He finds peace in simple daily activities. I am learning to feel calm every day. She takes time to breathe deeply each morning now. We walk in the garden after dinner every night. He doesn't let small problems make him worried today. The sound of water makes me feel peaceful. I am sitting quietly and reading my favorite book. She is not stressed because she rests very well. Do you take breaks when you feel too busy? We are going to visit a quiet place tomorrow. He was calm during the difficult meeting at work. The children are playing quietly in their room now. I will practice meditation for 10 minutes this evening. She feels peaceful when she drinks tea by herself. We are not rushing because we have enough time. He is going to rest after this long day. The peaceful music helps me sleep better at night. I was very calm when I talked to her. She doesn't feel anxious when she breathes deeply like this. Do you want to learn how to feel calm? We spend quiet time together every single Sunday morning. He is feeling more peaceful after his short walk. The garden is a calm place for all of us. I am not worried about tomorrow because I feel ready. She will take a warm bath before going to bed. We were calm and happy during our peaceful vacation. He breathes slowly when he starts to feel any stress. The quiet evening makes me feel safe and very calm. I don't need much to feel peaceful in my life. She is learning to relax her mind and her body. Do you feel calm when you are near the water? We are going to make our home more peaceful soon. He takes deep breaths before he starts his work day. The soft light in this room makes everyone feel calm. I felt peaceful after I finished all my work yesterday. She isn't stressed because she plans her time very well. We will find a quiet place to sit and rest. He was reading a book in the park this morning. The calm weather today is perfect for a nice walk. I am feeling more relaxed than I felt last week. She doesn't worry when things don't go perfectly as planned. Do you have time to relax and feel calm daily? We are creating peaceful moments in our busy daily lives. He will listen to soft music after his dinner tonight. The peaceful environment here helps me think clearly and calmly. I was calm when I needed to make that decision. She is going to practice yoga 3 times every week. We don't feel stressed when we are together like this. He feels more peaceful after spending time in green nature. The sound of birds singing makes me feel very calm. I will take 5 minutes to breathe and relax now. She was feeling anxious, but now she is feeling calm. Do you practice any activities that help you feel peaceful? We are not going to worry about things we cannot change. He is sitting quietly and watching the beautiful sunset right now. The simple act of breathing deeply makes me feel better. I don't feel calm when there is too much noise. She is going to create a peaceful space in her room. We felt very relaxed during our quiet time together this morning. He will spend less time on his phone starting tomorrow. The peaceful atmosphere in this place is really wonderful for everyone. I am taking more breaks during my day to stay calm. She doesn't rush through her morning because she wakes up early. Do you know what makes you feel calm and peaceful? We are going to visit the quiet beach next weekend together. He was meditating for 15 minutes before breakfast this morning today. The gentle wind and warm sun make me feel peaceful. I will create more calm moments in my daily life routine. She is not feeling stressed because she is prepared and ready. We were walking slowly and enjoying the beautiful nature around us. He feels calm when he spends time alone with his thoughts. The quiet library is my favorite place to feel peaceful. I am going to turn off all my screens 1 hour before bed. She doesn't let busy days stop her from finding peace inside. Do you feel more calm in the morning or evening time? We are learning that small moments of peace are very important. He will practice being calm even when life feels too busy. The peaceful feeling I have now is what I want daily. I was not calm yesterday, but today I feel much better. She is finding new ways to create peace in her life. We don't need expensive things to feel calm and happy together. He is going to make time for peaceful activities every day. The calm energy in this room helps everyone relax their minds. I will remember to breathe deeply when I start feeling worried. She was feeling overwhelmed, but she took a break and feels better. Do you want to practice feeling calm with me right now? We are becoming more peaceful people through our daily practice and habits. He feels grateful for the quiet and calm moments in life. The peaceful mind I am developing will help me in the future. I am not going to let stress take away my inner peace. She is creating a calm morning routine that works perfectly for her. We were calm during the storm because we felt safe together inside. He will continue to practice finding peace in every single day. The simple things in life often bring the most calm feelings. I don't feel calm all the time, but I am learning slowly. She is going to help others learn to feel peaceful too. Do you notice when you feel calm and when you don't? We are practicing being calm, and it is helping us feel better. He was looking for peace, and he finally found it inside himself. The journey to feeling calm takes time, but it is worth it. I am calm, I am peaceful, and I am ready now. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.